angle between the vectors A and B is theta. The value of the triple product A dot B cross A is. This is actually a conceptual question. So he's looking for the triple product A dot B cross A or A cross B, B cross A. Strictly speaking, it does not matter. Let's see why. Now, if I take A cross B, you know it is in a line perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B. So it is perpendicular to vector A. Right? For example, this is vector A, this is vector B. And let's assume that this is a plane. So in this plane, both are present. So clearly, the cross product is perpendicular to this. Product is perpendicular to this. Let us treat it as another vector C. So now we have A dot C. So the vector C is here, maybe here or here, all depending on the actual vectors. So now, if you look at two vectors, vector A and vector C are perpendicular to each other. That means the angle between them is 90. And if you know two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their dot product is equal to 0. A dot C, that is AC cos 90 is equal to 0.